Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In the previous video we had learnt what is data and how to represent the data with the different types. Okay, so now let us go further with the next exercise and using those concepts here in the exercise 9.1, question number 1. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. So these are the marks of the 40 students out of 10 children. And we are arranged these marks in a table using telemark. So here we have to put this marks in the form of table that using telemarks, and two questions to be answered with that. How many students obtain marks equal to or more than 7? And secondly, how many students obtain marks below 4? So these are the two questions that we have to answer after making the table. Okay, so this is the solution. The table I have made from the given data. So tables, first we will write the marks obtained. The marks the minimum marks was from 1 and the maximum was 9. So I have listed the marks 1 to 9 over here, and accordingly the tally marks. So how many students got 1 mark? How many students got 1 mark, children, here? 1 and 2 over here. Okay. So you can see 1 and 2. So number of students how many? 2, and this is the same thing, that is we have represent with the help of telemark. 2 marks are obtained by 3 students, 3 marks obtained by 3 students, 4 marks obtained by 7 students, 5 marks is obtained by 6 students, 6 marks by 7 students, 7 marks by 7 students, 8 marks by 5 students, 8 marks by 4 students, and 9 marks by 3 students. So whenever you will total this number of students, children, you will get exactly 40. It should not be more or less than 40. So this, after representing the given data in the form of telemarks, children, now it is very easy to answer the question. It was asked to us in that how many students obtain marks equal to or more than 7. So equal to or more than 7 means 7 will be included. So always it will go above 7, 7, 8 and 9. So 7, 8 and 9, these are the number of students who got more than equal to 7 or more than 7. How many students were there? 5 plus 4 plus 3, that is equal to 12 students. Okay, so all the students you will cover under who got 7 or more than 7. So that is the number of students who got 7, number of students who got 8 and number of students who got 9. Total 12 students here. Now next question, number of students who obtain marks below 4. Below 4 means less than 4. So we have to take 1, 2 and 3. So number of students who got 1 was 2, 2 is 3 and 3 was 3 only. So total together 8 students got below 4 marks. Question number 2. Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. So dice, children, when she was playing, she played 40 times and she observed each number that she got, and that many numbers that we have to put it in the form of table using telemarks, and the few questions to be answered with that. So here the number of dice has only 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only possibility of getting the numbers on a dice. So I have listed 1 to 6 only. One number she got how many times? 7 times. 2 numbers she got 6 times. 3 numbers she got 5 times. 4 numbers she got 4 times. 5 numbers she got 11 times, and 6 numbers she got 7 times over here. Okay, so this is the telemarks and number of times the particular number appeared when she had thrown the dice. Now the few questions to be answered with the help of this table. The minimum number of which, find the number that appeared minimum number of time, means the least, which is the least here? 4. So number 4 appeared minimum number of time, that is only 4 times it came. Then which number came? Maximum number of time. Which is the maximum number here? 11. Which is that number? 5. So, which number came maximum number of time? 5 number. And find those number that appear an equal number of time. Any number children you can see that repeated came equal number of time? Yes. Which is that number? 1 and 6. 1 and 6 number appeared equal number of time, that is 7 times both the numbers appeared. Okay, so that is the answer here what we have discussed. Now question number 3. Following pictograph shows the number of tractors in 5 villages. So this is village A, village B, village C, village D and village E. And the number of tractors they have taken the object to represent the data, that is the tractor. That particular village is having this many tractors and that many tractors. So one picture represents one tractor. Okay. Now observe the pictograph and answer the following question. So village A is having how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Village B is having 5. Village C is having 8. Village D is having 3. Village E is having 6. So these are the data that, which is given to us in the form of pictograph. Now let us answer the questions here. Which village has the minimum number of tractor? Which village is having minimum number of tractor children? 1, 2 and 3, that is village D, right. So village D over here. Then which village has the maximum number of tractors? Which is maximum here? You can see here village C, which is 8. So here the maximum number of tractor is with village C, that is 8 tractors. Then how many more tractors village C has as compared to village B? Okay, we have to compare the B and C. C is having 8 and B is having here 5 only. So how many more village C is having? 8 minus 5, 3 tractors, right. And what is the total number of tractors in all the 5 villages? Means when you add all 5 together you will get the answer. Okay, so let us see. In all when we add together we will get 28 tractors among all the 5 villages. Now let us go to question number 4. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in a particular season. So these are the name of the merchants, the number of fruit baskets, and this one basket represent 100 fruit basket. So one picture shows 100 fruit baskets, right. So this is the pictograph representing it. Now let us see what do we have to answer here. Observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. So these are the questions that we have to answer. The first one, what was the question? Martin sold sold the maximum number of fruit baskets, that is 9.5. Okay, 9.5, because he had sold 9.5 basket represent, that is 100's half is 50. So 9 into 100 we get 900, because one basket represent 100 fruit. Okay, one basket represent 100 fruit baskets. So 9 into 100, 900, and half one show, that is plus 50. So 950. So Martin sold how many? 950 fruit baskets. Then how many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? Anwar, according to the pictograph given, has 7 baskets with shown in that info data children, that is 7 into 100, he had sold 700 fruit baskets. Now, what is the next answer? Let us go first with the question here with the merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a go down for the next season. Can you name them? Okay, so more than 600 or more than who have sold the basket, they are only going to buy this go down. So who all are there, that we have to answer. So what will be the question to that children? Answer to that? Anwar, Martin and Ranjit Singh have sold 600 or more fruit baskets and are planning to buy a go down, right. So With this children, we end this exercise over here. Hope you understood this concepts of pictograph, and now I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.